नमस्ते, मेरे नाम होसे है और मैं पुerto रिको से हूँ। अभी मैं जयपुर में मुकेश, ऋषि, अंकित के साथ इंडिया लिंगua हिंदी सीख रहा हूँ. I can continue to talk Hindi, but I want to address this specifically to you, which are thinking of study Hindi, and I want to tell you specifically about my experience. That is why I'm changing to English, even though I can say everything in Hindi. I first came to Jaipur about 2 weeks ago. I was very afraid of what I was going to find, how was going to be the city, how was going to be the teacher. And my expectation at first, they were really low. But when I got in, I found out I have first a marvelous place to stay where I can every night go to the room and go to the rooftop, study, watch a wonderful sunset. I'm staying here with people that they're not only my hosts, but they're also my family. They always give me good, delicious food every day. In addition, Rishi and Mukesh are wonderful, very patient. They always will go with you. They will give you slowly all exercise to make sure that you know the language. The most important thing I see, they're always very accessible for questions, and they always will help you with a smile. If you want to learn Hindi, which is the language of the future, language for business, for art, for sport, for everything, please, I invite you. As a foreign student, please come to Jaipur and you will not regret it. It will be your best decision of your life. Thank you.